Hello, I'm Frank Hutchison. I'm the webmaster for the Inland Northwest Woodturners, and I'm here with some more instruction for board members on editing the website so you know some of the pitfalls that you have to be careful about. We talked previously about how you edit like the front page or the home page, become a member, the member resources, the newsletters, or about us are all typically done the same. I'll do the newsletters as a separate video because there's a little bit more involved with that. But we'll get to that in a little while. Now, let's talk about some of the pages you should not touch at all. These pages are composed of what's called shortcodes. They don't have any editing you can really do in it. So stay away from them because you will end up messing things up really bad if you do play with them. Okay, they are, for example, the login. Now, I'm going to go to this page and show you what's on there. And notice that there's just this one little statement right here. Users Ultra underline login, and it's in square brackets. A shortcode basically is sort of the handle to a whole lot of other code that would be too big to keep track of. So instead, the different people who create plugins for WordPress create shortcodes, which then basically tells the computer, oh, when this web page is called, go get all that other code I have somewhere else and bring it in there and do that. In this case, this will actually bring up the login page. And it's pre-formatted, nothing to change, nothing to do with it. So you just leave it alone. Please, leave it alone. Let's go back to some of the other pages, and we can go into the members directory. This is a more complex page because it does a lot more than just login. Because login, you just type in your username, your password, and bingo, it says, yay, you can get in, or no, you can't. But the member directory has a lot more. For one thing, there's these two lines right here. This one here that says, users Ultra protect content, and then / users Ultra protect content. Everything between those two lines can't be seen except by someone who's logged in. And then you have a search box because you want to be able to search for a member, and you have what the directory is, and it gives it all the criteria for that. But like I said, don't touch any of this. I'm just showing you it so you know it is there, so you know not to touch it. Go back to pages. My account is the same thing. It's the page that comes up when you want to see what your account is if you're a member. And see, there's just one line, nothing to change. And you go down to view profile, and it's the same thing. Nothing to change. Don't worry about it. Just leave it alone. So, those are the pages that you leave alone. Don't touch unless you really understand shortcodes and user Ultra. And you may, but don't touch it unless you have permission to. Because as an administrator, you will have the ability to go in there, and believe me, you can mess up everything. So this is Frank Hutchison. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.